Are you looking to pause or completely turn off Google Tag Manager on your site? In this video, I'll show you how to do it efficiently and safely so you can manage your tags without breaking anything. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're inside, head over to your workspace and select the container that holds the tags you want to manage. Picking the right container is key because each one controls a specific set of tags applied to your website or app. Next, navigate to the Tag section in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all the tags in that container. Think of this as the control panel for all your tracking codes. To pause a tag, select it and go into its settings. Look for the Triggers section, which controls when the tag fires. To stop the tag from activating, simply set its trigger to none or remove the existing trigger entirely. This ensures the tag won't fire under any condition. After making your changes, don't forget to save and publish. Saving alone won't stop the tags. You need to hit publish to make your changes live. Publishing is essentially flipping the switch, ensuring your updated setup is official and active, and that's it. You've successfully paused or turned off your Google Tag Manager tags. Whenever you're ready to reactivate them, just follow the same steps and restore the original triggers. I hope this guide makes managing your tags simpler and stress-free. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more actionable tips on mastering digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.